Hello everybody. Today I want to show you how to patch holes in Eifs exterior insulation and finish systems. What we have are a few holes by some woodpeckers, and what we're doing is we pre-filled with some spray foam yesterday. And we gave that 24-hour drying setup. Now what we're going to be doing is taking our Eifs utility knife, cutting off all that excess. That we can reach. This is the Eifs. Utility blade, 25mm breakable. This is what we use as our sword. You can see the people that put a birdhouse trying to divert the birds from doing this again, but I'm not sure how much that works for them. Put a layer of some basecoat adhesive. That all filled in. And what we do is take a piece of mesh, get it in that mud. Take another scoop of mud. Got the mesh in it, put another layer of mud over it. Now what we do is grab a paintbrush, a water brush, scrub brush, a little bit of water on it. What I'm doing is feathering those edges out. Or otherwise known as the hard edge there. Okay, I'm going to let that set up, and then I'll come back and put another coat on it to get all that mesh embedded and hidden. Then when that dries, I'll grind it, and I can put some base or some finish coat over that.